Open lah.
Open lah.
Open lah.
Okay. Technically, the second time we're unboxing this thing.
Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier
4 Pro.
4 Pro.
Very, very long name, but yeah, this is an air purifier that is priced at 1,100 ringgit Malaysia.
Okay.
Actually, not that expensive considering that other filters that perform similarly, at least if they claim to do so, with HEPA filter and all whatnot. Yeah, good price. So we have to see how this thing goes. Let's unbox it for the second time. Yeet! Yeet!
So inside the box, we will still have the
User manual.
power cable
Oh, power cable, forgot about this.
and a user manual. User manual. Quite a thick one, but it's multi-language.
I don't think we need it. Not now.
Okay.
So, to take out the filter, what we have to do is to...
Well,
Yeah, you rip out the sticker. I'm gonna connect this.
Yeah.
Okay, this filter is like a washing machine tub. I still think the same because it's very big, cylindrical but hollow inside. So it's like a very tall donut.
Just like popiah roll.
Popiah?
No. Danish roll.
Ah, yes. After taking out the plastic, slot it in. Remember, this thing should be outside so it's easier to pull.
Yeah, easier to pull because basically how they secure the filter in place is just the bottom spring-loaded base, and they just push it in place. And as for the back cover, is just a piece of plastic with magnets. So you just like align it.
Okay, so now it's powering on. Yeah, rip out the plastic. So this thing, as far as I can remember, I think it's an OLED screen at the front.
Yes, OLED. Wait.
So we can even hear the boot sound. Oh, I can feel the wind. 100% filter. I tell you, the microphone will pick up a lot of wind noise. Never mind,
Yes.
you do that. I will pair this thing with the Mi Home app. So let me just do that while you go through the thing.
So the front of the display is an OLED display, and apparently there is a color strip on it. I'm not too sure, is it an entirely color display
I
or
don't think so.
not.
Only that strip.
But probably only that strip is just to indicate the power status. But there are two capacitive buttons at the front. One is for the power button, and the other one is to change the mode, whether you want to use the fan mode, sleep mode, or your custom mode. Auto, as you can see, the fan spinning noise is, well,
Quite intense.
quite intense if you use it at the highest fan speed. Let me just switch it to highest right now. I'm not too sure if the microphone is picking up, but from this direction,
I think it should pick up.
should pick up, right?
Should pick up.
This is the highest fan speed mode. So if I just switch it to the lowest, well, at least it is quieter
It's very quiet.
than our, ceiling mounted air conditioner.
Confirm.
Yeah. So it is still reasonable.
So
And they even got a sleep mode, so should be
even quieter.
even quieter.
Try turning it on. Pairing process is the same as any other Mi device, so real quick, simple. So connect, done. Yay! Yeah, it's done. That's it.
Oh, that's it?
That's it. Pair finished already. So let me see what features are available.
Because the limitations of the buttons, you can only change the mode for whatever it has to offer as a preset. So the app should allow you to customize more items and settings. I
Yes,
guess.
they even bring us more information. So you can see here, they show us how dirty the air is.
Okay. They have the coarse particle measurement, something like that. Okay.
PM, I don't know, particulate matter. It's 2.5.
Yeah, I have zero idea about this
I'm not
thing.
really that good in terms of all this stuff. Then we have temperature sensor, 28 degrees Celsius in the room right now, 53% humidity. So I don't know why it's so humid inside.
It's Malaysia, so
It's indoors, but okay. Negative ions, this is to actually bring down all the flying dust.
oh, okay. How does it actually work?
Okay, if you shoot negative ions,
Okay.
it attach to dust,
Uh-huh.
then dust get heavier, whole thing pull down.
Oh.
So technically your air conditioner also have the ionization feature.
Yeah,
It's the same thing.
I do aware of some of those ionizer, but I have never had any idea how do they actually work.
Yeah, it's technically this way.
Okay.
The filter estimated running date, we have 291 days left.
So it's a brand new filter, then they estimate 291 days.
Yes.
I mean, based on the, probably is calculating based on the
real-time usage.
air quality as well.
Yes, so it's kind of like an estimate. You need to check in time to time. But assuming we can last it for like 10 months, it's quite okay.
It's quite okay.
I'm not too sure about the price of the
price
filter.
of filter.
I'll leave it on the screen here. But if it's above 300 ringgit, kind of expensive. Then schedule power on and off, pretty standard.
Yeah.
Screen brightness, we can change it to dim or off. So if we
Change to
change it to dim, how is it?
Oh, it is dimmer. So
Don't see.
it is way dimmer and off.
Yeah, I turn it off. But if I turn it
So-
off, means you have to use your app to control.
Yeah, here's the thing. I think I'm not too sure how the brightness of the screen in nighttime, but if you are one of those who are rather sensitive to lights during the nighttime, then
Child lock. If you lock it, then technically it's screen off.
can only be controlled via the app. I mean, yeah,
Yeah. Notification sounds like what we can hear
Yeah.
just now.
beeps.
Smart scenes. This is same as the G lights. So technically you can set the scene, then you press the scene to change to specific settings of the air purifier.
Yeah, I mean you can also adjust. Add some of those special scenes, more like automations. It probably will like turn off during certain time or when you are not at home or what.
Yeah. You can also cascade it with your lights. So if you turn on your lights, the fan also turn on together, blah blah
Yeah,
blah,
yeah.
all of those things. Additional settings, let's see what's available. Nothing much actually.
I mean, most of those are just maybe firmware.
Yeah, technically nothing much.
I mean,
we
we
can
do-
also update the firmware if we want.
We
to.
do have a new update.
Yeah,
But-
optimize false alarm during shutdown. Anyway, we're not gonna do that now. In terms of features available, this thing is pretty straightforward.
Straightforward. I mean, even for those, imagine your family members who are not really tech savvy, they can still operate this. Filter without doing anything special. Just turn it on and then choose a different fan speed or presets, and it goes on.
Yep,
with
and
it.
just turn it on. What is this for? I think it's to dim the screen, right?
Press on. Yes, you can dim and then turn off. So there is a button toggle at the back.
This top part can be taken out, just one screw, and then
Yeah.
the whole top grill can be lifted up. But I'm only gonna do that if I want to clean it. But after taking this out, I don't know how we can access the deeper levels of this thing.
So assume
Clean air.
their working concept is that clean air goes up and then dirty air goes down. It's a cycle, so it sucks it in through the bottom filter. So that's it.
For modes available, I realized we got one more mode. Auto,
I mean, I have-
sleep, manual, then got one more mode.
This is the fan speed mode.
How is it different from manual?
Speed adjustment. This is custom manual. This one is just basic 1, 2, 3.
Technically duplicate
Okay.
feature.
Technically, manual you configure your favorite mode, and then you can just keep it at it. So because some of those is like they prefer something between slow and medium speed, so they just set it as their custom in the app, and then whenever they like choose from the mode, so they just select the hard mode and then it goes to their standard.
Whatever you're doing
Preferred.
there is immediately reflected here.
Yeah, in the
That
app.
is impressive.
Yeah. So in other words, because I also noticed that the manual also shows you about the speed adjustment can affect the coverage.
Yep.
So in case your room size is like, because from what I can see here, the lower speed covers about 10 to 17 square meter of the room size, and it goes up to 60 square meter. I mean, for room size, no one measures in cubic. Even though air is cubic, but for normal users, because they will ask you, okay, so what is your room size? I will say, oh, it's about 20 square meter. I mean, your house size is like, in Malaysia, we use square foot, square feet, square foot. Yeah, so that is the difference there. I'm not too sure how auto will actually work. Perhaps it just,
I think it depends on this value, the PM 2.5.
then it adjusts accordingly.
Yes, but as you can see now, 6,
I
so it's excellent. The app
Yeah.
is excellent, so very low speed.
I thought our office is
Super dusty.
dusty and dirty.
Maybe not this area.
Maybe not this area.
We should move to some of the other rooms.
Yeah. So
So I think that's it. For 1.1 thousand ringgit Malaysia, I think it's okay.
I think it's okay because you already mentioned Dyson is offering at way higher price tag. I mean, it's a different product.
Yeah, Dyson, that one is
Category.
also a fan. This one is more like literal purifier.
Purifier. Because I know Acer also have
Pure cool.
Acer Pure.
Pure cool.
Pure Cool that
That one is also like a fan plus purifier.
Purifier 2-in-1.
Yeah, this one is mostly for purifier because the air coming out is not supposed to cool you down. So, yeah, for a purifier alone, I think the price is okay. It's just depending on the filter price.
I mean, we're gonna show it in the screen anyway. So yeah.
So filter price, if it's okay, then okay, because this thing can last for 300 days. So
I mean, easily you can.
assuming it
last
lasts for 300 days, if it doesn't last for 300 days, then maybe 250 days. Let's just give it that 250 days. I think
It's still 8 months.
yeah, 8 months is really good.
Yeah. Basically, just turn on and forget about it.
Dyson one is more expensive, but then as far as I know, they say estimated is 1 year.
So-
Nothing much to talk about. It's just air purifier.
It is an
anyway.
air purifier. So if you are in the market trying to look for an air purifier for your home, for your room, or for your office, I mean, covers up to 60 square meter of the space. It is pretty decent for a normal regular home. Otherwise, you can always get 2 or 3. So
Yeah, and then integrate all into the app. The app is actually very functional. The
Yeah.
Xiaomi Home app, you can integrate with lights, robot
Yeah.
vacuums,
Yeah.
IPTV cameras, all of those stuff.
it will be even more impressive if you have like 2 or 3 of these and everything is paired to the app, and then you just turn on one unit and 3 of them will start together, or
Can.
they synchronize the settings.
Can,
better.
should be okay, no
Yeah.
problem. The Mi Home app is powerful, so yeah,
So yeah,
quite good.
easy to use, so reasonably priced. Yeah,
Just worry about maintenance.
it's always about the maintenance. So we'll see you guys in the next video.
Yay!